Welcome back to Building Successful IT Teams, a Leader's Guide. In this chapter, we will explore how to effectively scale your IT team as your organization grows. Scaling your team is crucial for meeting expanding business needs while maintaining operational efficiency and fostering innovation. We'll discuss strategies for growing your IT team, balancing in-house talent with outsourced solutions, and managing remote and distributed teams. As your business evolves, so do your demands on your IT team. Scaling the team effectively requires a strategic approach that ensures operating needs are met while keeping pace with growth. Assess current and future needs. Start by reviewing your business goals and projected growth. Conduct a gap analysis to understand where your current resources are stretched thin and identify areas where additional skills are needed. Forecast future demands to proactively address skill shortages and prevent bottlenecks. Prioritize key roles and skills. As your team grows, focus on filling the most critical roles first. Prioritize skills that are essential for maintaining operations and enabling future growth, such as cloud architecture, cybersecurity, or data analytics. By hiring for high-impact roles, you ensure your team can remain agile and support strategic initiatives. Leverage cross-training and internal development. Don't overlook internal talent. Cross-training team members on new technologies can fill immediate gaps and increase overall team flexibility. Implement mentorship programs to foster internal growth and empower your existing team to take on new responsibilities as the organization scales. Adopt a phased approach. Scaling too quickly can overwhelm both your team and infrastructure. Consider a phased approach to growth, hiring key personnel in stages and ensuring each addition is fully integrated before moving on to the next phase. Consider outsourcing and contracting. In some cases, outsourcing certain tasks or bringing in contractors can offer flexibility and cost savings. For example, non-core functions or temporary projects can be handled by third-party vendors, freeing up your internal team to focus on strategic priorities. By carefully planning and prioritizing both immediate and long-term needs, IT leaders can scale their teams in a way that is efficient, sustainable, and aligned with broader business goals. As your business grows, finding the right balance between in-house talent and outsourced solutions becomes critical. IT leaders must weigh factors like cost, scalability, and the expertise required to determine the best approach for scaling their teams. The value of in-house talent. An in-house IT team provides deep knowledge of your organization's systems, culture, and strategic goals. In-house employees are more invested in the long-term success of the company and can develop tailored solutions that closely align with business needs. When to outsource? Outsourcing can offer flexibility, especially for short-term projects or when highly specialized skills are needed. Engaging external vendors allows you to scale quickly without the overhead of hiring full-time staff. Striking the right balance. The key to successful scaling is finding the right balance between in-house talent and outsourced support. Assess your core competencies and identify areas where external support can complement your internal team. Balancing in-house talent with outsourced solutions allows your IT team to remain agile, cost-effective, and capable of meeting both current challenges and future growth opportunities. Managing remote and distributed teams. As businesses expand globally, managing remote and distributed teams has become a critical aspect of scaling IT operations. While this approach offers access to a global talent pool, it also presents challenges in maintaining cohesion, productivity, and engagement. Establishing clear communications channels. For remote teams, communication is paramount. Without face-to-face interactions, it's crucial to set up reliable, transparent communications channels. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and video conferencing platforms are essential for daily check-ins and project updates. Encourage communication to avoid gaps in information flow and create spaces for informal interactions to maintain team camaraderie. Build trust and accountability. Remote teams require a high level of trust. Set clear objectives and performance expectations to empower employees to take ownership of their work. Regular one-on-one meetings and reviews help track progress and address any concerns. A transparent culture where team members openly share progress fosters trust and accountability, keeping everyone aligned toward the shared goals. Leveraging technology for collaboration. Collaboration can be challenging across remote teams, but cloud-based tools like Jira, Trello, and Asana make it easier to track progress and maintain visibility. These tools allow team members to work together seamlessly, regardless of location. Ensure everyone is properly trained on these platforms to streamline workflows and keep teams engaged. Maintaining team morale and engagement. Remote work can sometimes lead to feelings of isolation. IT leaders must proactively foster a sense of belonging by organizing virtual team building activities and informal check-ins. Celebrating milestones and achievements remotely helps reinforce a sense of accomplishment. Managing performance in a remote environment. With remote teams, performance management must focus on outcomes. Use outcome-based metrics to assess performance and establish clear APIs that align with team objectives. Regular feedback supported by data ensures team members stay on track and motivated. Adapting to time zone and cultural differences. Managing distributed teams across time zones and cultures requires flexibility. Accommodate different working hours and be mindful of cultural differences that may impact communication styles and decision making. By leveraging technology, fostering transparency, and promoting engagement, leaders can effectively manage remote and distributed teams, ensuring they remain productive and motivated as the organization scales. Scaling your IT team is a critical step in supporting your organization's growth. By adopting a strategic approach to team expansion, balancing in-house talent with outsourced solutions, and effectively managing remote and distributed teams, you can build a team that is agile, efficient, and prepared to meet the future challenges. With the right strategies in place, your IT team will be well positioned to drive innovation and contribute to your company's continued success. Thank you for listening to Chapter 9 of Building Successful IT Teams, a Leader's Guide. In the next chapter, we'll explore continuous improvement and innovation within your IT team to sustain long-term success. For deeper insights into the topics covered in this video, or for topics covered elsewhere in this book, or in the other valuable resources in the Ken Lentz IT Management Coaching Series, click on the link below to access them on Amazon.